Okay, in this video now we'll be talking about spacer. It's a spacer widget. Should be really straightforward, and let's get into it. So first of all, we want to do by clicking the plus button to open up a new section, and then you can choose any type of composition that you like. Right now I'm just going to choose one section on one column, but as you can see, you can choose one section 2 columns, one section 3 columns, and so forth. But in this case, I'm just going to choose one section, one column. And again, as usual, when you click it, it will show up edit section. And that would be a column as well. And okay, so let's get into adding the spacer. So let's click this button right here. As you can see, it opened up a slew of options. I'm going to click, hold, and drag the spacer into the column. As you can see, I mean, there's nothing there. I mean, that's what spacer is all about. So to give it into a little bit more context, let's say if I add a little heading, click, hold, and drag, and then let's say if I add a new text editor, click, hold, and drag. As you can see, this is what spacer is. So let me add some more. So I'm gonna put another heading. As you can see, oh, maybe it's not showing it right now, but okay, let me delete that one. Okay, let me give it a shot again. As you can see now, okay, now the header shows up. Okay, so I'm gonna add another text, and that's what it is. Dividing the spacer is basically a divider, but it has no line, so you can change the height, the distance, any way you like, and that's that. So that concludes the video of spacer widget. If you have any question, feel free to drop the question on the comment down below, and feel free to like, subscribe, and share it, and hit the notification button for the next upcoming videos. Have a good one.